9 a.m. Been up since 7. Tired. Where are we going?
We're gonna go to a gas station. Not just any local gas station, because that would just be too easy. No. We're gonna go 3 hours, because during a quarantine pandemic, why stay home? Why you can go to the gas station. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station. They have barbecue and t-shirts.
Barbecue and t-shirts. We got up at 7 a.m. to make an almost 4-hour drive for barbecue and
Yep.
t-shirts.
Yep.
Because Texas life. That's how it is.
Yep. You can go to the gift shop and you can order t-shirts. Why do that? You go pick it up. Get you some barbecue.
This barbecue tastes like crap. I'm gonna be so upset.
Yeah, the reviews are kind of up and down on their website. It's like some people really like it because they're like, oh, it's a fan. Other people are like, it's Walmart barbecue. I'm like, oh, that's comforting. Yay. Well, hopefully they have good sauce.
I don't have high hopes for the food.
Well, we just got out of Dallas. Now we're literally going 117 miles before I have to exit again.
117 miles
Before I have to exit.
down I-35.
Yep. We're going to see some good scenery.
Oh boy.
I mean, we'll be close to Austin.
I mean, heck, we might as well. You know what? If the barbecue tastes like crap and we just can't eat it, we can swing down to Austin and get some OG Torchies.
OG Torchies.
OG Torchies, because it started in Austin.
I mean, the gas station on the map from Austin is this far. That could be like another 20, 30
Honey,
miles.
a Texas map, this can be like 100 freaking miles.
I mean, according to this map, we're only this far from the gas station.
So that far compared to this far. Okay, we're pretty good.
Yeah, we'll make it.
Now I want Torchies. Hey, honey,
What?
what's it called when a short person waves at you?
This is going to be rude.
A microwave.
You're dumb.
You want to hear a joke about paper?
Of course.
No, it's terrible. Hey, babe,
What?
do you know who is the favorite ant of a penguin? Antarctica.
Alright, stay off that website.
Hey, babe,
Not this again.
which of Santa's reindeers has the worst manners? Rudolph.
You're stupid.
Hey, babe,
What?
do you know how you make an egg laugh?
Ow.
You make it crack up. Update.
We're still driving. We've been in this car for almost 4 hours now, 3 hours.
No,
We're getting close. We've gone through about 10 counties.
Only 10.
Yeah, we passed through a couple of them. One have a population more than Andy's high school reunion.
Less than.
Less than, excuse me. But we're going to go get some...
High school. Okay, he can't speak properly. We passed through a county that had less population than my graduating class.
Oh.
Yeah. English. Do you speak it?
No. So, we're almost there. You know what? I mean, you drive this far, you get something you can order offline. So hopefully it's worth it.
It's probably not.
It's probably not. It would probably show up and be like, okay, we ate at the gas station. A Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
We took a selfie. We're done.
A Texas Chainsaw Massacre, like,
Good Lord.
scene.
This car is like jumping all over the place.
It's not the car, it's the road.
The road is making the car jump all over the place.
There, is that better? Don't worry, we got 8 miles before I can turn and go somewhere else. Because
Monkey Road. It says Monkey Road. Look at that.
I feel like I've seen the same trees just at different angles. That's how many times I've turned. It's like I want to turn left so I can see the.
Okay, we're done with him. We've had enough of him.
I was enjoying that.
I wonder how far are we from Austin? We might as well just go at this point.
We're pretty close. I mean, we're like.
Houston was what?
Hey, Beaver Road.
Oh, we went past Monkey Road, now Beaver Road. What's the next?
Well, we have to.
Platypus Boulevard?
We have to stop at the yogurt place on the way back.
Oh God, there was this building. It said Sassy Lady, Sassy with an I, Sassy Lady Yogurt Company. You know that is code for strip club, okay? There's no way that was not a strip club. No freaking way.
I mean, if it is, do you get a complimentary yogurt cup?
Ew.
Or how about some yogurt?
I'm done with you. Hey, babe. What would you call the king of cats? Your Meowjesty. Do you know what the blanket said when it fell off the bed? Oh, sheet! Hey, baby.
What?
You know why we don't go to the gym?
Why not?
Because this relationship just doesn't work out.
True.
You know what I do when the ice cream is too cold?
I hope you run out of space on your phone.
I scream!
You're...
This is it.
We drove 3.5 hours.
This is what we came here for.
Yep. The gas station.
It's literally called the gas station.
And We Slaughter Barbecue. That was the actual sign that was used in the movie that they refurbished. They refurbished this entire building. And they have a Texas Chainsaw Massacre tribute bench over there with all the people that have passed from the movie.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now.
Gunnar Hansen is on there. The van from the movie, I believe, is in the back.
Was that truck in the movie?
Truck? No. It might have been. Because...
Alright, let's go inside. I don't exactly feel 100% safe going in here. I feel like I'm gonna need a tetanus shot. Or, you know what? Where's my knife? Okay, some other people just came out, so I feel better. But they're wearing masks and we're not, so I kind of feel like an asshole. There's the bench. It's kind of cool. It's got all the cast members who passed away. Pretty cool. Oh, look, we found the van.
I don't know if it was the actual van that we used.
Probably not. But
well, they did have a van like this that they shot in the movie.
Yeah.
Because they fit the full cast plus the
camera.
Camera operator. They're all crammed up in a van at Texas.
Well, all the seats are out in the back, so it might be. I don't know.
I don't know if this is the van or not, like the actual van they used in the movie.
I don't know.
There's like an old TV in there. Well, there's the engine to the van. It's kind of...
Oh, okay. That's, oh, no, this was the cover. That's not a TV, that's the cover that went over the engine. That's interesting. And it's got these new cabins that you can actually stay at, which is kind of cool, but then
owner,
kind of don't want that.
The owner said in an interview saying that people have asked him to show up at like 3 in the morning and pay him $60 to with the chainsaw and scare the shit out of like little kids, but their insurance won't allow them to do it, so they don't do it.
I can't imagine why.
But the owner was like, he goes, "Oh, for $60, I'll show up and scare the shit out of you."
I mean, I'll do it for a Klondike bar.
So like the Sawyer, 3. Either 11 poster or
There's just a crap load of memorabilia, horror memorabilia and merchandise. And no, you cannot buy any of it.
I'm buying shirts and you're gonna stop me.
You can have 2. So how is it? Slaughterhouse barbecue. I got chili.
Just don't think of the movie while you eat it.
Was it worth the 4-hour drive?
Anything with you is worth it.
Aww, you're so cute. Now we're going to the right place.
Yeah.
Chick's shop! Can't do that. Again, I couldn't film because there was too many people in there. But we can eat, and look, this is all the water I have because he didn't give me a water puddle.
You didn't ask for one.
You should know these things by now.
You have Dr. Pepper?
Too much sugar.
You like Dr. Pepper?
I don't drink soda anymore.
Soda's good for you.
Alright, which one should we get?
I don't know. I'm just going to try to get the box open. No, you get it open. Just get it open and pick one.
Magic!
No, just pick one. Random.
One at random?
One at random.
Okay. Not looking, not looking. What did I grab? I think this is the Very Berry cream cheese. Oh my Lanta. Bite.
Oh my Lanta. Bite. Oh indeed.
Mm-hmm. Oh my.
Oh, shut up. Alright, let's get these home before they spoil.
I want to try the Nutella one. He bites all the filling and leaves me with the fatty bread. Just for that.
One dot. One dot.
Yep.
Ain't that a little bit?
Yep.
Is that salt on that? Like, is that like a pretzel?
No.
It tastes like salt.
Probably yeast.
Don't fucking smell your fingers.
I licked my fingers. There's a difference.
Will you marry me? Can't help falling in love with that, can you? Dr. Pepper. Give in to the temptation.
I can't remember the last time I had Dr. Pepper.
Probably when you and Carrie used to do your Dr. Pepper and was it popcorn or Cheetos?
Dr. Pepper, popcorn, and cheesecake. All three of those together is a magical combination.
She takes baby sips.
Oh, it's so sweet. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso.
Hey, we only have,
How much longer till we get home?
let's see what Google Maps says.
It's going to be like 2 hours.
Home. Well, about,
Bush's chicken. You want to get some chicken too?
sure, why not?
Or do you want to wait till we get home and get Golden Chick?
Oh, you hungry?
Honey, we had a sausage at like 10 o'clock.
And then what?
Excuse me. And then we had crappy barbecue. And now we had a kolache. Well, I had a protein drink this morning, so I was pretty good.
Come on, honey, you're wasting valuable clock time.
How much longer till we get home?
According to...
Just say 2 hours. Just say 2.5 hours.
About 2 hours. We have about 105 miles left to go. But
There's a butt?
there is a wreck on 75. And hopefully it'll be clear by the time we get there.
Well, I just need to get somewhere where I recognize and don't need GPS anymore. I hate my forehead.
Well, when we... Captain's log.
9 hours. We've been out and about for 9 hours. I've been in this traffic for an hour.
It hasn't been an hour. We're in Dallas. We're fine. We're almost in Richardson, actually. So I mean, we're close to home. We're only 30 minutes from home.
30 minutes, my butt. This is going to take forever to get through.
What'd that sign say way back there?
I don't know.
Do you read signs?
No.
Then how do you get around?
GPS talks to me. Unlike some people who are like, oh, you missed your turn.
Woman, I said, hey, next right, take a right. Where am I going?
That was a mile back.
That was more than a mile back, honey.
Exactly. That's your...
And just so you know, the HOV lane is right there. So there's a slight possibility you have to get over. Possible. I don't know. If the wreck came over this way.
Give me your mouth. Give me your mouth.
No.
What is my elbow hurt?
Because all your joints have been in the same spot for 2 hours.
Yeah, I didn't want to drive. I like to be driven.
I drove you there.
So?
So you drove back. And you took a different route. So you made it
I
quicker.
just want to be home.
Really? You want to be out of the house, now you want to be in the house?
I wanted to be out doing things, not sitting in a freaking car for 8 hours. Seriously, we've been sitting in a car for 8 hours. We were only out looking at stuff for an hour. And it was all to get food. Half of it wasn't even good food.
Food?
Food. Food. Food.
I'm gonna fart.
Oh my god.
Hey, we're back in our neck of the woods, hon. Do.
Hey, you said it right.
Yay! Don't look at yourself that way. You're fine.
My cheeks are so chubby.
You want to take a Arapaho home? You know,
No.
you could have gotten over and taken an exit and missed all this, but yeah.
I'm going to slap you, and you're not going to like it.
Don't hit me.